Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the Basics of Civil Engineering lecture class. In today's our lecture, we are going to be discuss about on the lecture number 7, that is problems on leveling by rise and fall method. Okay, so let me introduce myself. I am M. Hemant Kumar, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department from G. Pullareddy Engineering College. Thank you. Next, in our lecture number 7, so the leveling problem we are going to be determining now. So by using the rise and fall method, there are few contents were there. That is content number 1, introduction to rise and fall method in leveling. Next, second one is solution or else problem solving on leveling by using the rise and fall method. Okay, right. So let me discuss about the introduction. So nothing but, so the leveling which will be done for the where the slope surface when we are going to be determining the elevations, okay, or else reduced level points for any sloped surface or else uneven surfaces. So when we have to do the leveling surveying, so from that one we will get the values, nothing but backside, foreside, intermediate sides. So by calculating these values, by calculating these backside, foreside, intermediate side values, we will get to the leveling reduced level points. So we have to join all the equal reduced level points. So here finally we will get the contouring maps like this. So this is the equipment for leveling. We can use the theodolite. So these are the nothing but leveling staffs. So where the readings were taken here. So from this one, if we, this is the station point A. Okay, from A to O I have focused, nothing but this is called back side. Okay, from A to B I have focused, that is nothing but foresight. Okay, my dear students, if I am focusing to the back condition, that is backside value. If I am focusing to the forward direction, that is foresight value. Okay, so for this leveling work, it should be have two members. One is main member, another one is the helper member. So the white t-shirt person who is doing the experiment, that he is main person. Next, the helper will be having this part. Okay, nothing but to carry out those to carry the leveling staffs, that everything. Okay, so there are some of the basic formulas were there. So nothing but there are formulas were there to calculate backside and foreside. First of all, in our problem, when we are going to be determining the level survey, we will get the values, whether it may be just up and down values like that. Those values, it won't be having equal or else flat values. Okay, so all the values will be having up and down like that method. So nothing but if we are going to be determining the reduced level points for the slope surface, see how the surface will be here. Everything it is in slope condition now. So for that to slope surface, all the values will be get the exact same and equal points. No, so it will be having somewhat up and down points. Okay, so to calculate the rise and fall, so we have to calculate backside minus foresight, or backside minus intermediate side, or intermediate side minus foresight. Okay, for example, I got the reading here. Okay, now I have kept to my station here. I have kept to my station here. Now I'm focusing, this is O point now. Now I'm focusing to the first reading. The first reading will get backside. Where is the foresight value? Not this one, because foresight value is which is end of a station. This is foresight values. Okay, these two are nothing but intermediate site 1, intermediate site 2. Okay, my dear students, so if we are going to be checking the differences between backside, intermediate site, or intermediate site foresight, or backside minus foresight, if we get the value in negative, we have to be place that negative value in the fall table. Nothing but the value is in fall if we got the negative. If we got the value in positive, we have to keep that to positive value in rise table. Okay, and finally we have to calculate that reduced level, nothing but previous reduced level. If it is the value in rise, we have to provide plus. If the value is in fall, we have to do minus. Reduced level, where we will get that reduced level? Nothing but benchmark value. It is an permanent and fixed point. So maximum near the railway stations also we will get that benchmark value. Okay, so from that benchmark, if we got the benchmark value is 100 plus 19.5. Why the plus 19.5? Because what we have checked the differences from backside to foreside, we got the value is positive. That's why I have present in rise table. Okay, we will see now. No, like this we have to be present the table. Okay, my dear students. Now question. What is the question? The following staff readings were observed successfully with a level. So the instrument has been the instrument has been shifted after the second and fifth reading. Okay, what he have mentioned here, important point I have mentioned. See, by keeping the underline, the instrument, what is mean by instrument? Nothing but leveling instrument, tripod, and next having the theodolite. Okay, the entire surface will be discussed by my co-faculty member Shri G. Nagesh Kumar, Senior Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering from G. Pulla Reddy Engineering College. So we are going to be discuss only the problematic part. Okay, so the instrument, it is shifting after the second reading, nothing but second reading, where it will become, this is the second reading. Okay, and also fifth reading. So 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth reading, my dear students. Right. So like that we have to take the readings. Okay. Here one thing important. We got the values. Okay. We got the just point values. So where I have to be present in this table? Where the value should be provided in backside? Okay, how I have to be provided in backside, how I have to be provided in intermediate side, how I have to be provided in foresight. Okay, right. So the first reading was with the staff held on benchmark of reduced level is 100.000 meters. Okay, enter the readings in the page of level book and calculate the reduced level, nothing but elevation points, by using rise and fall method of all the points. Apply arithmetic checks. Okay, so for this one, first we have to write the readings as neatly. So nothing but 0.675, next 1.230, next 0.750, next 2.565, next 2.225, next 1.935, 1.835, next 3.220. Okay, so like this we have to write the all values in constant manner. So now, what is the instrument? This is the instrument. This is the instrument. Okay, this instrument was shifted to after the second reading and after the fifth reading. Nothing but this is second, no, 3, 4, 5 up to here. Okay, so now where I have to take the values, at where in backside or foresight or intermediate side I have to place that value. Now we have to be check here. See, from instrument, if I'm going to be checking the value to the 0.675, that is the backside value. Now I'm going to be focusing to the next point, that is the foresight value. Okay, my dear students. Next, again, now the instrument is going to be shifting after the second point. Okay, after the second value. Now I'm going to be focusing to the 0.750 is nothing but this is the backside. Where is the foresight? 2.225 is the foresight value. In between, what is that middle? 2.565, nothing but this is the intermediate side, my dear students. Okay, and next, again after the fifth reading, the instrument was shifted to the some other located place. Okay, again I'm going to be focusing to the 1.935, it is the backside value, and 3.220, this is the foresight value, and 1.835 which is present in middle, no, so that's why intermediate site value. Okay, now finally we got Finally, we got the values where we have to be placed, right? What is the first reading? 0.675, no, where we have to be provide for the first station as backside. So here, let me check. I'm right? Right. Next, what is the second reading? That is 1.230. Where I have to be placed? Nothing but for the second. Here. Sorry. So nothing but foresight is here. I thought this is the foresight. Right. Next. Now I have shifted my instrument to the next point. Now again I'm focusing to the 0.750. What is that 0.750? That will become under backside. So where I have to be provide? Near the station 2. So here I will get the 0.750. Okay, my dear students. Right. And next, what is the 2.6565 value intermediate side for the next station? It will become here. I'm right. Next, foresight value is 2.225. For the foresight means here it will become. Okay. Next, again after the 5 readings, again I'm going to be shifting my instrument. So after shifting, the first focusing the value is nothing but backside value, nothing but 1.935. So it should be get in 4th station. Okay, 1.935. Next, intermediate side value, nothing but 1.835. So it will be get here. Okay. And last value is foresight value 3.220. It will be get at 6th station. Okay, my dear students. So like this, we have to write the all values and place into the table. So this is one main important. If we placed these values in table as wrongly, then our entire problem will be wrong. Okay, my dear students. Right. We will focus on the next. Right. Now I have to be calculate the rise and fall. Whether the value will get negative, then I have to be place that negative value in fall. Whether I got the value in positive, then I have to place that value in rise. Okay, right, ma. Right. Now, what is the basic formula to calculate the rise and fall? Nothing but backside. What is the backside? 0.675. Sorry. So what is the backside value? 0.675 minus foresight value, like that. Backside minus foresight. Here I have mentioned to see here. See here. Backside minus foresight. Next, backside minus intermediate side. Backside minus foresight, and next intermediate side minus the foresight values, like that. From these interior walls, from these differences of backside and foresight values, we will get the negative value. Then we have to be placed in fall column. If we get the value in positive, then we have to be placed in rise column. Okay. Right. Now you see 0.675 minus 1.230. What is the value will come here? Nothing but, okay, BM is the benchmark, nothing but in our question reduced level. The reduced level he have given nothing but 100.000 meters. Okay, nothing but the value, if we got the value we got, that is 0.555. So nothing but fall. Okay, next, backside to intermediate side. So 0.750 minus 2.565. How much it will become? See here, 0.75, sorry, 0.750 minus 2.565. If we calculate, what we will get? Definitely we will get that negative value. So then the value will be placed here. See, 1.815. Next, intermediate side to foresight minus. So 2.565 minus 2.225. What we will be get the value? 0.3. Okay, 0.3 3, 4, 5. So nothing but it is a positive value. Then we have to be placed in rise value. 0.34, sorry, 340. Okay, my dear students. Next, back side minus intermediate side. Nothing but 1.935 minus 1.835. Nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0. So nothing but we will get the positive plus 0.100. Definitely we will get from rise column. 0.110. Next. And finally, intermediate side to foreside. See here, back side to foreside. Next, back side to intermediate side. The value we got here in negative. Next, intermediate side minus foreside. The value we got here positive. So that's why we have presented in rise. So like that we have to do. Okay. Next, 1.835. It is nothing but intermediate side to minus 3.220. If we calculate here 5, 1 and next to 6 point something minus, definitely it will become. So nothing but the value will be having in negative. Okay. So 1.315. Okay, nothing but minus 1.385 meters. Okay, my dear students. Now I have to calculate the reduced level of 2. So previous reduced level plus or minus rise or fall value. Now what is the, now I want the reduced level for 2. So what is the formula? You people can just check here. So reduced level to previous RL, nothing but reduced level of 1 plus or minus rise or fall value. Okay, we will do now. Okay, reduced level of 2 means RL of 1 minus what is the value presented for second station, nothing but fall value. So that's why we have to write minus 0.555. So what is RL1? Nothing but 100. So 100.000 minus 0.555 if we do means we will get the value nothing but 99.445 value. Okay, like that. Next, 99.445. Next the value is presented as fall, nothing but minus. So nothing but minus 1.815. The value we will get here nothing but 97.630. Okay, so after that the value which the station it was changed shifted after the second reading, nothing but change 0.1 we have kept here. Next, previous RL of 3. Now I want the reduced level for 4. So what is the previous reduced level for third station? 97.630. Either we have to provide plus or minus. The next value is presented in rise means plus 0.340. Nothing but 97.970. Definitely we will get this value. 97.970. Okay, next 97.970 plus 0.100, nothing but 98 point, change the point to 98.070 we will get. Okay, next 98.070 minus, okay, 98.070 minus 1.385 we will get the value 96.685. So this is the way of process. We have to calculate the all values. The first thing, so here the 80% problem is completed. The first thing, we have to take the readings. So where the instruments have been shifted, so from that one for the first station, what the value will come, whether it is backside. So we have to be provided in backside. So in between number of stations are there, nothing but number of intermediate stations. Next for the end point, that is the foresight values. So after that we have to be calculate rise or fall method. Okay, now we have to calculate what is the summation of backside value. Okay, what is the summation of foresight value, what is the summation of rise value, what is the summation of fall value, and formula the check we have to be provide last RL minus first RL. What is the last RL? 96.685 minus 100. Okay, let me check now. So now, what are the summation of backside? Nothing but 0.675 plus 0.750 plus 1.935. If we do means, we will get the summation of backside value is 3.360. Next, summation of foresight value. What is that one? 1.230 plus 2.225 plus 3.220. Then we will get the summation of foresight is 6.675 value. Next, summation of reduced level, sorry, summation of rise points. So 0.340 plus 0.100, nothing but 0.440 we will get. See, okay, and finally summation of fall. So nothing but 0.555 plus 0.815 plus 1.385. Now what is the summation of fall value? 3.755. Okay, and last thing, last reduced level minus first reduced level, nothing but 96.685 minus 100. So how much the value will get? Minus 3 something the value will get here now. Okay, my dear students, last RL minus first RL is nothing but 96.685 minus 100, nothing but minus 3.335, minus 3.315. These checks should be satisfied for summation of backside minus summation of foresight value and summation of rise minus summation of fall value. Okay, now we will be check here. Okay, right, student. Now check summation of backside minus summation of foresight. What is the summation of backside? 3.360 minus summation of foresight 6.675. So what is the value we'll get? Minus 3.315. It is equal to the last and first RL minus 3.315. Hence, in backside and foresight values are satisfied and conditioned. Next, summation of rise minus summation of fall, nothing but 0.440 minus 3.775. The value also we got minus 3.315. So therefore all checks are equal. So condition is satisfied. Nothing but the what we have done the problem is clearly correct. Okay, clearly correct. So why we got the entire problem in correct manner means the way we took the readings, the way we placed those readings in the tabular column, nothing but where at what station for the backside, at what station for the foresight, at what station for the intermediate side. So like that, the main thing is backside, intermediate side, foresight values we have to be provide the tabular column and have to apply those values. Then we have to do the correct calculation. Then the checks should be equal. Then all the checks are equal, condition is satisfied. Okay, thank you my dear students. So thank you for this opportunity and thank you for the escape.